What if I told you, your hand blender might be hiding chunks in your soup and leaving you with a messy counter? We put 10 top models through a brutal test, blending everything from icy smoothies to steaming hot soups and even nut butters, and the results will shock you. One popular model struggled with soft vegetables, while our number 3 pick pureed everything into silk without a single splash. If you want a hand blender that delivers perfectly smooth results every time, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Mueller Ultra Stick Hand Blender. The Mueller Ultra Stick 500-watt hand blender is a versatile and durable kitchen tool. Its sophisticated design offers a comfortable grip for continuous blending. With an exceptional quality full copper motor, it withstands continuous use and will last 3x longer than competitors' motors. The removable blending arm with fixed blade locks into the motor body for easy operation. The stainless steel S-shaped fixed blade quickly blends ingredients for smoothies, milkshakes, soups, or baby food. Additionally, the quality whisk attachment is a perfect addition. Number 2. Cuisinart CSB 179 Hand Blender. The Cuisinart CSB 179 Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender is a versatile and durable kitchen tool that allows you to switch from low to high speed quickly. The comfort grip handle with push button for continuous action and variable speed slide control makes it easy to use. The 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft is perfect for pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping, and the included 3-cup chopper/grinder, chef's whisk, and 2-cup mixing/measuring cup make it a must-have for any kitchen. Number 3. Turelar Immersion Hand Blender. Turelar Hand Blender 1100W is a versatile immersion blender equipped with a powerful 1100W motor, ensuring smooth blending and chopping in seconds. The variable speed trigger design allows you to easily adjust the speed for pureeing, emulsifying, or whipping. The unique food-grade nylon blade guard prevents scratches on cookware, making cleanup effortless. The ergonomic grip provides comfort during use, making it a perfect gift for anyone who loves cooking. Number 4. Ganiza Immersion Hand Blender. Ganiza 5-in-1 Hand Blender is a powerful and excellent quality kitchen tool that can handle various blending tasks with ease. Equipped with an 800W full copper motor, this blender offers quiet operation and promises a longer service life compared to common motors. The stainless steel body of the blender is not only sophisticated and scratch-resistant but also easy to clean. The blender features SUS 304 stainless steel 4-leaf blades that can blend and extract nutrients in just 15 seconds. With 15-speed control and a turbo mode, you have precise control over your blending needs. The detachable blending, whisking, and frothing parts are made of professional-grade stainless steel, making them easy to clean. In addition to the hand blender, you also get a 800 ml mixing beaker, 600 ml chopper, whisk attachment, and milk frother, making it a versatile kitchen companion. The Ganiza 5-in-1 Hand Blender is a great gift for any occasion. Number 5. Braun MultiQuick Immersion Hand Blender. The Braun MQ7035X 3-in-1 Hand Blender features easy smart speed technology that allows you to intuitively select the proper speed for your task. Its ACTIVE blade technology incorporates a flexible shaft that moves the blade up and down, resulting in a more active cutting surface for finer blending. The patented POWER Bell Plus system and ultra-hard stainless steel blades make blending large quantities of food effortless. Its EasyClick Plus accessory system makes switching attachments fast and easy. With the MQ7035, you'll experience smoother blending with faster results. So, which hand blender will you trust to revolutionize your kitchen? Share your choice in the comments. If this soup-saving review gave you blending confidence, blend that like button, it helps us test more. Want more kitchen tech truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing food processors. All our top picks are linked below. Blend on!